16
Now
minus
from 16 minus 16. It is recording.
Sir, first
Yes, 16 minus 16. Yes, go ahead.
16 minus 16, 16 to the 32, 16 is a 49, 16 for the 59.
Multiplication of even numbers also you will get odd numbers. 2 2s are not 5. 2 6 are not 13. If you are multiplying even number means you must get even number
Sir,
only.
she is told wrong.
Yes, I am. That only I am telling. Yes. Okay, cool down.
64.
Yes, from first onwards you tell me. 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48, 16 4 is 64, 65 is 80, 16 6 is 96, 16 7 is 96 plus 16, 1 12, 16 8 is 120. 8, 16 9 is 144, 16 6 is 160, 16 10 is 16 10 is 160, 16 9 is 144, 16 8 is 128, 16 7 is 112, 16 6 is 16 6 is 96, 16 5 is 80, 16 4 is 64, 16 3 is 48, 16 2 is 32, 16 1 is 16. Like this, you must be fast. Speed and accuracy. Okay, if you are telling speed means it's not at all enough. You must tell accurately. Okay, if you go slow also no problem, but you must win. Yes, now tell me Sreeta again.
Come, table.
I'm muting everybody. Wait 1 minute. Yes, now Sreeta. Yes, you have to. It's not good, Sreeta. Actually, I thought you will learn 20 tables, but enough. Okay, no problem. I'm giving. What we'll call. Okay, now I am leaving you. But tomorrow onwards, I won't excuse. I won't give you excuse. Okay, right? Go ahead.
16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 16 3 is 49, 16 4 is 64, 16
32
5
plus
is
16, how much? You no need of by hatting. You add 32 plus 16, how much? 32 plus 16.
32 plus 6.
6 plus 2, how much? 6 plus 2.
6. 8.
3 plus 1?
4.
48. That's all. 16 3 is 48. 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 16, 48. 48 plus 16, 64. 64 plus 16, 80. 80 plus 16, 6. 96. 96 plus 16, 112. 112 plus 16, 128. 128 plus 16, 144. 144 plus 16, 160. Okay? Like that you have to remember. Yes, tell me fast.
16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48, 16 4 is 64, 16
Yes, you must
5
have
is
confidence. No need of doubting. Yes, go ahead. 16 5 is
16 5 is 80, 16 6 is 96, 16 7 is 112, 16 8 is 128, 16 9 is 144, 16 10 is 160.
very good enough. Yes, right. Now ceremony completed, Sreeta completed, Yashasvi completed, Shruti completed. Oh, who are there in the class? Yes, Anudeep also waiting for the patience. Yes, Jaydeep. Yes, unmute Jaydeep. You tell me 17 table. Okay, yes, go ahead.
71 17, 17 2 is 34, 17 3 is 51, 17 4 is 64, 17 5 is 85, 17
17 4 is 51 plus 17. How much? 1 plus 7 8. 68.
70.
5 plus 1 6. 51 plus 17. 68.
60.
You told 64.
Yes, sir, I told the 68.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir,
From
no,
first.
sir.
Yes. Okay, no problem. You.
17
Yes.
5 is 17 5 is 85, 17 6 is 102, 17 7 is 119,
119. 119.
17 8 is 136, 17 9 is 153, 17 10 is 170.
Yes, very good. Anyway, you told very well, but you have to be confident. You should not struck. Okay, and yes, okay, right, very good. Yes. Now, I think almost completed. Tanvi left. Okay, right. Yes. Yes, which table I will assign you. Okay, 1 minute. You tell me 18 table you completed yesterday.
Yes, sir.
19 table, you tell me 19 table. Yes, ceremony. Wait. Patience. Okay, after her completion, I will ask you.
19
Yes.
1 the 19, 19 2 the 30, 19 1 the 19, 19 2 the 38.
You see at the
19
camera.
52.
1 minute. See at the camera.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
19
tell
1 the
me.
19, 19 2 the 38, 19 3 the 57, 19 4 the 76, 19 5 the 95, 19 6 the 114, 19 7 the 133, 19 9 the 152, 19 9 the 171, 19 10 the 1.
But you didn't see that camera like this. 19 ones are 19, 19 to the 38. I don't know.
19.
Here two cameras, two circles are there. I don't know which is. You tell me. Now I am seeing it. You are not.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 9 plus 19, 38, 38 plus 19. How much? 57. 57 plus 19. 76.
76.
Good. You see this. 9, 8, 7, last digit. 6, 5 means 95. 4, 114. 3, 113. 2, 1, 152. And 1 you will get 171. Understood? How many members understood? Last digit is 9. Listen, 19 table. In 19 table, you are getting 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. In last digit. 19 ones are 19. 9 last digit. 19 twos are
Same as
38.
9 tables,
8
sir.
digit. Yes, it will be same, but not 100% same because that first digits changes. Okay, right. Anyway, you told very well. And these many students, why they are raising hands? I didn't understand. Yes, ceremony. Yes. I will check her patience now. Shruti. Yes. Tell me, what's your doubt?
Sir, no doubt.
Why you are raising your hand like this? You raise it or not? I thought you were asking doubt. Okay, no problem. Very good, right? Okay, right.
Completed living beautifully.
Yes.
You gave a first book, no, sir. I completed.
Okay, yeah. Yes, ask your doubt. Ceremony. Yes.
Sir, Srita, you tell us, sir, Srita, you tell us, sir, not for again chance for you, but you 4 or 3 chance to Srita.
Yes. Okay. Yours. Are you listening, Srita? She is supporting you. She is asking you to give 4 chances, but you should not take that chances. You must take challenges.
No, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
I'm telling you, you told us, sir, 4th class also I will not give again chance for
Okay.
anyone.
Since you are
told
4th
us,
class,
sir.
I am giving you chance and I am giving you excuse today, but I won't give chance and excuse tomorrow. I told. Yes. What's you are telling? Yes. You told that only?
Yes.
Okay. You are telling you don't give any chances next time onwards.
Yes.
Very good. Yes, Rita, you have to take as challenge. Okay. In 4th class only you are competing with 5th class children means it's a big challenge. But you have to take challenges only. Okay. These challenges only will give more power, more strength in upcoming classes. Okay. Yes. In 5th class, you no need to study, but you must study. You should not neglect like that. You can sleep also, you will get full marks, but you should not neglect like that. You have to study. Okay. Yes. We ask you a doubt fast.
Sir, 19 table is completed and we said 19 table.
Oh, no. Yesterday she told 18 table, I think.
Yesterday
Yes, she told 18 table. Yeah, today she told, today she told. Okay, I will. Okay, right. I am sharing we have to complete this level 1 perfectly. This have, had, has, why we use have, had. Listen, okay. You open English grammar books first. I will give neat notes for you where we have to use have, has, had. Okay, were, was.
Sir, notebook or textbook?
Notebook, English notebook.
I have here. Yes, sir. Opened.
Yes,
Not open
you have to
subject.
write. I will type. First, you listen. I will type. Okay, right. I will type in what document. Okay, I understood what I have to do. Yes,
Sir,
right.
book in
English book.
home. Sir, homework this English book.
Tomorrow.
English it is now classwork na. This is classwork.
Sir,
Okay.
Sir, I have 4 days holidays for my online classes, sir.
Okay. Very good. You have to utilize now.
Sir, this only.
1 minute. Yeah, that's one homework. Any book, any book. Yeah, yes, that's one only. Yes, in that only you have to write neatly. Yes, that one only. Yes, very good. Right now you see, I will type here. First, where we have to use I, we, he, she, it, they. First, I need to type now. Yes. Caps lock I,
Sentences
we,
describing about singular.
I, we, you.
Sir, you means it will come plural also, no, sir?
Yes, it's by default plural only. Actually, we use for single person, but it will by default it is plural. They, Rama, Sita, Allah, and Akbar.
Hello. Sir, right?
Yes, right. We have to complete this in within 15 minutes, 10 minutes. We are running out of time. Fast.
Sir, down.
Right, children. Right. Complete it fastly. We have to complete. I, we, you, he, she, it. They one by one. You write like this. Before that, wait. Before this, you have to do 1 minute. Why this is
Sir, why you kept Allah and Akbar?
2 persons. Understood?
Sir, not that problem, sir. You can keep Birbal and Akbar and Birbal, no, sir.
Yes, you can keep that also. Birbal and Akbar also you can keep. It's your wish. But you have to keep 2 people.
Amastata. Sir, you are in mute, sir.
Okay, very good. So IV means first person. First person means I am in front of you. So because that's why you are first person. Okay, I am the first person, na? Because I am speaker. If I am speaker means I am only first person.
We mean
We also I am including you now. We means we are. If we are speaking means we are the first person.
that is we is third person, sir, or second
No,
person?
first person.
He is also first person.
Why you have understood practically? If you are speaking, or if you are speaking in publicly, if I speak means I am also first person because I am telling any incident about working or anything. Why this is line is not getting. Okay, I will draw lines only. I like this. I will draw using a. Okay, right. I, we, you is one more second person. You draw neatly. Don't consider my. I have to change the color. Black color is best one. He, she, it. So
He, she, it.
sorry.
Sir, Yashashvi have a doubt. It seems.
Yeah, I think you all are having doubt. Yes, what's your doubt, children? I am unmuting everybody. It's not a session, not asking session. It's class now. Yes, unmute and speak out fast.
Sir, in where right, sir?
In English book, you write. If you write anywhere, no problem. But you have to study. That's all. Okay. If you write means nothing will happen. You must keep in your mind. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, lines do like this.
Lines, single lines are there now in that only.
This one English notebook. Sir, video
Tell
on
me.
screen is black. Sir, your video on screen is black.
Black, huh?
Sir, in where right, sir?
This one English notebook.
In English, in English. Ah, like this only you write enough.
Screen.
You draw roughly, children. Nothing will happen. It is not the science fair or no one will check. You must keep in your mind. It's most important at the end of the day. Okay? To keep in your
Sir, is
mind.
it okay?
Yes, enough. Yes. Okay, okay. This line is not required. Already this 1 minute. One more
This
line.
one is English notebook.
Yeah, in English notes.
I, be, you, he. Sir, you, he, not sir. Only you.
Yeah. First,
He, she, it.
second,
Second.
third person. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Why third person? See, if
Sir,
we are
because we are
discussing,
talking about him.
yeah, if I am speaking, if I am teaching you, I am the first person. You all have to concentrate on me. Okay, if we are discussing means we are the first persons, and you means if I tell you means you listen to my class. So I am telling to you. So it's then you become second person. Understood? And when third person, he means I am telling that boy. I am asking that boy. Means if I am discussing with Tanvi, I am the first person. Tanvi, listen to my class. See at the camera. So Tanvi becomes second person, and third person who will become? Who will become third person? Tanvi, he is Srita
We are
is
talking
not
about.
able to read.
We are talking about.
How much time we have?
Downward, sir.
The third person means whom we are talking about only, no, sir.
Yeah, we are discussing about other persons. Means other than our conversation. Persons, other persons. Okay, other persons in our conversation.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
How many have understood? Jaideep have understood? I am discussing with Jaideep. Jaideep, listen to my class. So Jaideep will become second person. I am
Second
first
person.
person because he have to listen to my class. And who will become third person? Jaideep. See this Tanvi, Srihita, Shruti, and these all persons understood or didn't understood. They are confusing. So they will become third persons because I am discussing about other people with Jaideep.
Sir,
Jaideep, we
yesterday I
have
kept
to learn.
first person. No, sir.
So we both will become first persons. Okay, I have understood Jaideep now. How many members understood?
Sir,
Unmute and tell me.
Sir, in diary writing yesterday in my PPT, I kept first person.
Yeah, first person. Yes, yes, very good. So how many members understood? If you won't understood, you tell me honestly. Again, show.
understood, sir.
Down. Yes, Jaydeep
Sir, I
understood.
didn't understood.
Tirumani didn't understood.
No, yes, sir. Now one.
You understood. Yes, Srihita.
No, sir.
Srihita, listen to my class carefully. So I told you, listen to my class for Srihita. Okay, not other people. So then you will
Sir,
become second
you
person.
explaining. Sir,
Sir, only in this sentence, only 2 persons are there, no, sir.
sir,
Tell me.
sir. In explaining time, you are explaining time. In the time, your video and voice is struck.
Okay, no problem. Okay, right? No problem. You don't consider those all things. If you understand means enough. If you won't understand means you ask again. No need of fearing anything.
I don't understand.
In school also, okay, no problem. If you won't understand also, you have right to ask. You have to ask. If you are not asking means, then it's your biggest mistake. If you are not understood means, you should not blame the teacher. Teacher, what is this means? You should not ask like that. You have to ask respectfully. Then teacher won't tell anything. Okay. In exam, in any subject, you must